What's up guys, it's Dreamer305 here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you something really nice. It's an abandoned place. It's really exciting when I'm driving around and I find like a really nice spot, something really cool to show you. Before we start, I want to thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing. It's something that makes me really happy. I hope you enjoy this one, so let's check it out.
And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by number isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone